Hello guys, and welcome to another Technical Tuesday episode. And in this episode I'm just going to run through some of the currency pairs that I'm looking at, and I'm going to share with you guys some of my trading ideas and what I see is likely to happen to these pairs in the near future. So in no way is this trading advice, this is just for educational purposes only. So let's start with the EURJPY chart. This is the 4-hour time frame. Now the first thing to notice is that this EURJPY price is currently ranging in this bullish channel. So for the past few weeks it's been trading in this upwards bullish channel, and as you can see, price is currently reacting at the bottom of this channel. So we can expect some sort of price reaction over here. Likewise, it's also at this very good psychological level of 1.18. So that's a added confluence to our trading plan that price is reacting at this bottom of this channel, as well as this very good psychological level. Then another thing to look at is this bullish flag that I drew over here. So price is also in the shorter intraday term ranging in this bull flag, and how you trade bull flags is you wait for price to close above the recent resistance area in the bull flag. So if price closes above this resistance, then you can enter trade to the upside with your stops down here. So a good trade setup then for this EURUSD would be something like this. So our entry price would be just above this swing high over there, with our stops below this recent swing low over there to be conservative, and then we can target the upside of this channel over there, so maybe something like that. So this is then a risk to reward of 1 to 1.3, so maybe even extend our target to the psychological level of 1.2. This is also a very good, very important psychological level in the market. So let me just input that specific level over here, and then we have a better risk to reward of 1 to 1.47. so this is the trading idea that I'm currently working with the EURUSD, and as you can see, we also made a higher low over here. So it's not safe to say, but I'm currently looking at some more upside in this pair. So that's my trading plan for the EURUSD for the coming weeks. So let's see how it plays out. Now the next currency pair is the EURJPY that I'm currently looking at, and as you see, we broke this upward trend line over here a few days ago, and we are currently on the back side of this trend line, testing it once more. So you should be aware of how price is likely to react. It can test this backside of the trend line and then continue on lower, or if we trade this bull flag over here that the price has been consolidating in, and we are expecting price to range higher, then we can enter at market over here. As you can see, this candlestick closed above this recent swing high, so you can enter over there, stops below the swing low over here, and we can target the length of this flagpole, which is then over here like this. So we can target that area over there, also the 127 psychological level. But yeah, I see now this is a very good risk to reward ratio, so rather wait for a potential retracement of price to the downside, maybe testing this bull flag once more, and then for upside moves to the 127 area. So that is what I see on the EURJPY. If we go to the Swiss JPY. This is similar to the EURJPY. It's also below this upward trend line, and as you can see, price just bounced off this 116 psychological level and is also trading in this bull flag at the moment. So similarly to the EURJPY, we can also trade this bull flag a bit higher, but also maybe just wait for some sort of retracement, maybe to these resistance areas over here for a continuation higher. So the JPY pairs are looking to move a bit higher. So that is also that's my trading plan for the Swiss JPY. More upside move, maybe we can expect some sort of reaction at these highs over here, some small price retracement, and then hopefully price breaks past this former swing high for a continuation higher. We are still on a very strong uptrend at the moment. This is still making higher lows at the moment as well. So let's see if there's a higher high being formed over here. And then let's take a look at the pound USD. This is also similarly to the EURUSD. We are also in a bullish channel at the moment, with price reacting at the bottom of the channel over here. So if we just roughly draw a Fibonacci to these lows, we can maybe expect either price to continue higher to the top of this channel and then maybe even break out of this channel, or for price to test this 78.6 or 61.8 Fibonacci area, which is the 1.32 psychological level as well, and then maybe for price to continue lower. But we'll have to wait and see for a bit more clarity on this. But currently we are still in this bullish channel, so you don't want to take a trade just in the middle of this channel. Rather wait for price to give you a better picture of what it wants to do. So yeah, just in the coming few days, just wait and see how price reacts for the British pound USD. So, and taking a look at our last chart, the Aussie USD, also in a bullish channel. So looks like all of the dollar pairs are currently ranging in this bullish channel. So it's still making higher highs and higher lows. So there's no indication of shorts at the moment, and the Aussie is also currently, it looks like it's trading in this pennant, in this rectangular pattern. So a clear break above this trend line can indicate a run to the top of this bullish channel. So my trading plan would then be to wait and see how price closes over here. If this candlestick or the following few candlesticks closes above, ideally above this resistance level over there, then I'm gonna look for buying opportunities, stops below this swing low over there, and our target would then be the top of this channel over there. And you can even target this 0.73 psychological levels, also a very good psychological level to target. So that is the outlook on some of the forex pairs that I'm looking for. So let's see how this forex pairs plays out in the coming weeks, and it's important to always wait for some confirmation and clarity of what the market wants to do, because remember, there's a lot of fake moves, fake outs, bull traps, bear traps, and it's intended to catch out retail traders and to provide liquidity for the real moves. So for example, as you can see, this downside move got a lot of traders short, so there was a lot of sell orders being placed in this move with stops likely above this high or above this high. So a lot of traders for this move is going to go lower, and at the bottom of this channel, price just bounced and rallied higher taking out these stops and these stops, and liquidity was created again. And likewise over here, this move got a lot of traders going long with stop losses probably below these areas over here, and then at the top of this channel, price just ran down and took out the stops over here as well, creating liquidity. So let's see what happens over here. Are we gonna get another move higher to this very important psychological level of 0.73, or is this just gonna be a fake move and then a potential reversal lower? We'll have to wait and see how this chart pattern over here plays out in the next few days. So that's it from my side, guys, and like I said, this is just purely for educational purposes. I don't recommend that you guys take my trades purely on this video, and if you do decide to take it, always implement appropriate risk management. Never risk more than 1 or 2% of your account per trade, maximum 3%. So yeah, let's take a look at what the market offers us, and hopefully we can make some nice money this coming week. Thanks for watching.